Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In Onyxcoin, we're seeing a sharp decline here, currently trading at 0.01993. We are down 17% in the last 24 hours, while volume is surging up 40%. So this does suggest some heightened trading activity. So the question is this a buying opportunity or are we heading even lower? Let's break down the charts. So first off, heading over to the daily time frame here, we can see that the price is testing our 61% of our Fibonacci at 0.0196. Now this area is a key area of support. A possible breakdown here could accelerate the price to our next Fibonacci level at 0.0115. Now some of our key indicators here, starting off with the RSI, is at 28%. So it is dipping into our oversold territory, which could possibly hint a short bounce or short-term bounce here. However, if we do take a look at our MACD indicator that measures momentum, we see these histograms gradually getting bigger and darker in size. So the sellers itself could have the upper hand here at a crucial area of support. So if buyers do step in at this area of support, the immediate resistance is going to be our 20 moving average here, which we were rejected yesterday and the previous day as well at 0.024. So this is going to be a key area at our 61%, or initially 0.019 is going to be a key area to watch out for. Now we do know that the sellers are in control here. Another indicator here is our CMF. We are well below our zero at negative 0.11, which does suggest, again, the sellers are in control. Typically in our videos, I don't really bring out the volume profile, but I will for this area because Onyxcoin itself is fairly new here and we want to see some volumes of supply and demand. And typically when we move away from a cluster of volume at this dollar amount, the price is going to want to gravitate towards the next volume. And we don't really see a whole lot being supported by our 50 moving average. However, we do know moving averages are treated as areas of support and resistance. So if we do not see any type of hold around our 50 moving average, then typically the price is going to gravitate to our next supply and demand. And we kind of see it around here at our 78% of our fib, or at 0.011. So this may be a good opportunity here for buyers to kind of step in at our 78% of our Fibonacci. So I'm just going to go ahead and zoom out to take a look at the bigger picture in terms of our weekly time frame. So zooming out here, we can see Onyxcoin is still in a descending channel with forming a lot of lower highs and a lot of lower lows here. Now we can see this candlestick really open up closer to our 61% of our Fibonacci at 0.019. So again, I'm repeating this number because it's a very crucial number here for buyers to defend it. If we're not able to defend this, then most likely we're going to do a steeper correction on the downside, which may be a hurdle in the long run for this uptrend to continue. Now, quickly taking a look at some of our indicators, we do see the RSI at 60%. So it is still above neutral and it could continue to decline because of this candlestick itself. I don't see any type of reversals for this downtrend unless in next week's candlestick here we see possibly a piercing bottom candlestick where we see a green candlestick coming up and closing at least 50% of this red one. But the week isn't quite over. We just started this, so it is a little too early to analyze this quite yet. However, we could take a look at our MACD indicator here, and it does kind of show some bearish momentum. Histogram is getting smaller here, so it does suggest that buyers are taking a step back here. Also, with our CMF indicator, we're at 0.05 in the negative, so sellers are basically taking control of this marketplace. So in the long run here, if Onyxcoin can stay above 0.01967, we could possibly see a short-term recovery closer to, I want to say 0.025. This is quite ambitious here. If buyers do step in with conviction of volume, then we could possibly see that. However, if buyers are not going to defend the 0.0196, then possible breaking down to that 78%, or in the daily time frame where we saw that immediate hold would be around our 50 moving average. But definitely let me know what your take is here. Will Onyxcoin bounce back, or are we going to continue to slide closer down to that 78% of our Fibonacci until we see immediate buyers step in and news picking up for the project? Let me know what your thoughts are down below. Like and subscribe as well, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.